What if you could have the best of both worlds, the agility of a motorcycle with the safety and comfort of a car? Meet the Lit Motors AEV, the game-changing self-balancing electric vehicle that's redefining urban mobility. Designed for the modern commuter, the AEV, short for Autonomous Electric Vehicle, is a fully enclosed two-wheeler with cutting-edge gyroscopic stabilization. That means it stays upright, even when stationary or in a collision. Inside, it's not just about safety, it's about comfort too. With a sleek, car-like interior, touchscreen controls, and smart connectivity, this ride is built for the future. Unlike traditional motorcycles, the AEV shields you from the elements rain, wind, or cold while still giving you the thrill of a two-wheeled ride. And did we mention it's fully electric? With zero emissions and impressive efficiency, it's the perfect eco-friendly alternative to gas-powered commutes. Say goodbye to parking struggles. The AEV is compact enough to fit almost anywhere, making it an ideal choice for crowded cities. The future of urban commuting is here. Are you ready to ride smarter with Lit Motors AEV? Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more futuristic tech. So, why should you care about the Lit Motors AEV? Here's why it could be a game changer. Safer than a motorcycle, enclosed cabin, seatbelts, airbags, and auto-balancing technology. More compact than a car, say goodbye to parking struggles. Fully electric, no emissions, no gas stations, just plug and go. Incredible efficiency, lower energy consumption than traditional EVs. This thing could redefine urban transportation, making it easier, safer, and more efficient to get around congested cities. Lit Motors AEV isn't just a concept, it's a vision for the future. With its smart engineering, electric power, and space-saving design, it could be the perfect solution for modern city commuting. But what do you think? Would you ride one of these? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more exciting tech content.